Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Boss MCQ Part 35. I would like to encourage you to learn, to like, to share, and to subscribe. Which one of the following is an adaptation of reptiles for terrestrial environment? A. Limbs. B. Scales. C. Lungs. D. Elongated body. And the answer is C. Lungs. In the human heart, the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood is prevented by the A. Septum. B. Bicuspid valve. C. Tricuspid valve. D. Semilunar valve. And the answer is A. Septum. The following are physiological processes that occur in the body of a mammal. 1. Elimination of urea. 2. Regulation of salt in the body. 3. Regulation of water in the body. 4. Deamination of excess amino acids. Which of them are carried out by the kidney? A. 1, 2, and 4. B. 2, 3, and 4. C. 1, 2, and 3. D. 2 and 4 only. The answer is C. 1. Elimination of urea. 2. Regulation of salts in the body. And 3. Regulation of water in the body. Which one of the following is a respiratory organ in an insect? A. Malpighian tubule. B. Spiracle. C. Gizzard. D. Trachea. And the answer is B. Spiracle. A plant was found to be releasing a lot of oxygen gas during a bright sunny day. The best explanation for this is that A. The rate of photosynthesis was more than that of respiration. B. Plants don't respire in a broad daylight. C. There was no aerobic respiring cells. D. There was no aerobic respiration in the plant. And the answer is A. The rate of photosynthesis was more than that of respiration. Which of the following is a characteristic of cervical vertebrae? A. presence of vertebraterial canals. B, broad neurospine. C, presence of facets. D, long transverse processes. And the answer is A, presence of vertebraterial canals. A certain plant had the following characteristics: leaves reduced to spikes, stomata shrunken in pits, leaves covered with thick cuticle. Which one of the following would be the likely habitat for the plant? A, arid land. B, wetland. C, open grassland. D, tropical rainforests. And the answer is A, arid land. What are the products of digestion of lactose sugar? A, fructose and galactose. B, fructose and glucose. C, glucose only. D, glucose and galactose. And the answer is D, glucose and galactose. Which one of the following is a characteristic of insects only? A, 3 main body divisions. B, exoskeleton. C, jointed legs. D, 2 pairs of wings. And the answer is A, 3 main body divisions. Which one of the following is a modified root? A, sweet potato tuber. B, rhizome. C, corn. D, Irish potato tuber. And the answer is sweet potato tuber. Which of the following are characteristics of sandy soils? A, good water retention and poor drainage. B, poor aeration and poor drainage. C, good aeration and good drainage. D, sticky when wet and poor drainage. And the answer is C, good aeration and good drainage. A maize grain is both a seed and a fruit because it A, has both endosperm and cotyledon. B, shows hypogyle germination. C. Has a fused pericarp and testa. D. Shows two attachment or scars. And the answer is D. Shows two attachments or scars. A rabbit is able to utilize cellulose because it A. Has symbiotic bacteria in the stomach. B. Has a very long alimentary canal. C. Secretes the enzyme cellulase. D. Has symbiotic bacteria in the cecum. And the answer is D. Has symbiotic bacteria in the cecum. Herbivores digest plant material with the help of A. Protozoas. B. Cellulose. C. Cellulase. B. Bacteria. And the answer is D. Bacteria. The main role of structure labeled T is for, let's look for T. T is down there. A. Regulating stomata size. B. Photosynthesis. C. Limiting transportation. D. Limiting exit of materials. And the answer is B. Photosynthesis. The highest amount of nutrients can be found in A. Hepatic portal vein. B. Mesenteric artery. C. Renal vein. D. Pulmonary artery. And the answer is A. Hepatic portal vein. Which one of the following is an example of biological control of pests? A. Application of pesticides. B. Destruction of pests' habitat. C. Introduction of pests' predators. D. Interruption of pests' breeding cycle. And the answer is C. Introduction of pests' predators. Which of the following is an example of a belly? A. Mango. B. Passion. C. Groundnuts. D. Cotton. And the answer is B, passion. Which of the following blood groups lacks antibodies? A, B, B, A, C, A, B, D, O. And the answer is C, A, B. A student acquired flu and recovered from it without taking any drugs. This is an example of A, natural passive immunity, B, artificial immunity, C, innate immunity, D, natural active immunity. And the answer is D, natural active immunity. Hello friends, thank you very much for participating in Biology Boss MCQ part 35. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.